Lights on or lights off? Favorite content creator in Qatar? Favorite Kenyan content creator in Qatar? What's your dream vacation destination? I dare you to show us your M-Pesa balance. See, that's an easy one. Or your last screenshot. Either of the two.
M-Pesa balance iko. Unataka kujua? I think iko.
Story ni tamu, story ni moto, story ni hot and juicy. Story ko best, vile na daita bidu mesara hiyo shughuli. Story ni tamu, story ni moto, story ni hot and juicy. Story ko best, vile na daita bidu mesara hiyo shughuli.
Hi Tessa.
Hi.
Welcome to Hot and Juicy podcast. Are you ready for a quick fire trivia?
Yes.
So, what's your dream vacation destination?
South Africa.
Where in specific? Which city?
I just love South Africa.
Okay.
I just want to.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Dogs. Okay. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
I think everybody is okay for me. Yeah.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Your favorite artist?
Wapi?
Globally. Who do you listen to mostly?
Guy. Lakini napenda Otile Brown.
Okay. Or busy all day.
Okay.
Which song do you listen to, or which is your most streamed song on your Spotify?
The new challenge. Hallelujah.
Lights on or lights off?
Hiyo ni gani tena? Usiniulize maswali mengi. Asijui hizo vitu. Wewe umezeeka.
Pass. Umesema pass.
Hiyo pass.
Okay.
Mbona mnacheka?
Silence is also an answer. Favorite book?
Oh yeah. I don't read books.
Okay. Favorite content creator in Qatar? Favorite Kenyan content creator in Qatar?
Ni wengi, sitaki kuwataja.
To name but a few.
Ni wengi, sitaki kunini.
Okay. Best childhood memory.
Sasa kwetu kulikuwa kama Vietnam.
Okay, your go-to comfort food, or rather your favorite, maybe fast food. Your favorite fast food.
Fast food. Hapa Doha. Nakunyonga soda sana, sina nini.
Okay.
Hiyo tu pass.
Okay. Your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
House number 6. Hey, guys, I want to watch House number 6.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else who has a question for her? Okay.
Nice.
Who is your financial mentor? Yeah, globally.
Globally. When it comes to motivation, I listen to Joshua Sarman and also Tim Mwangi, Pastor Mwangi.
Pastor Mwangi. Yeah. What about entrepreneurs?
Entrepreneur, I do majina sasa hivi wanapotea. Majina imepotea.
I can give you 4.
Okay, give me.
We have Elon Musk. Then we have Warren Buffett. We have the guy who the Amazon guy. Then, yeah, Katia how?
I'll go to Zuckerberg.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you have any question for me? Okay, truth or dare? As we wind up, truth or dare?
Kwani mnani challenge? Kwani mnani challenge? Okay, mtiza.
Truth or dare, unachagua gani? Nikuulize gani?
Truth. There.
Okay, I dare you to show us your M-Pesa balance. See, that's an easy one. Or your last screenshot. Either of the two.
M-Pesa balance iko. Unataka kujua? I think iko 70.
70 what? 70 real, 70 G's. Kenyan chili.
70K too. Kenyan money.
2. Well, that's it. It's a wrap. Hot and Juicy podcast featuring Tessa, right?
For what? I don't do football.
Okay, it's a wrap.
Congratulations, Manze. Thank you so much.
Thank
From the
you.
director.